And these are our next speakers. I think, Mikael, maybe you want to... Great. So this is Mariana. And this is Luca.
Hi.
Luca is 24 and Mariana is 22. They're from Buenos Aires, Argentina. They are the design, industrial design at the university there.
Yes.
And you will be talking to us in a second. I just want to first of all say thank you so much for submitting your great design. And it was a great pleasure to look at the designs, not at least because there were so many incredibly nice ideas. And the fact that you came, I think, with such an overlapping interest, and yet from, so Buenos Aires is not so far away, but in a way it is very far away, right? And I think there was a very strong sense of common thinking, which I thought was one of the successes. So I have a few notes from the judges, and one of the judges, I have to say, was Melody Sarajaya Joachim, who's the vice chairperson of the board of A-Light Zimbabwe, the A-Light Zimbabwe Trust, which is one of our partners. And Melody is so lovely. And we also call her our best sales agent for Little Sun, right? And she said, this is nice because I can sell it. And I thought, and this was, also, as I said before, a design is obviously very complex, where I was very excited about the design and the shape, the color, the way it actually has a function that you can talk about. It symbolizes more things and so on. And then it had a lot of other success criteria where it also worked very well. So we were incredibly delighted about this. I won't read out the whole jury here, because it was a very glamorous jury. Not me, of course, but some amazing Italian design protagonists who we all admire so much. But Mikael, do you want to add something here? Because I think we should definitely let them speak, but I also think you...
I'd just like to add to what you said, Olafur. It was amazing to see virtually, I think it was more than 60 countries that we had interest from, and to see the creativity and the grasping the idea that we had sent out, and the inspiration it gave, and then have the discussion in the jury about who should win this, and simply say congratulations for winning. We are very pleased that you wanted to come to Europe and be with us today, because this is actually the official announcement of the winners. And as Olafur also said, we will distribute the lamps. They're in production at the moment, and when they're done, we will start distributing in a circular economy, a sustainable supply chain, creating not only better living environments and daylight and fresh air in the homes where the lamps will end in Africa, but it will also create a small economy, economic growth in those local communities as a result of the model that Little Sun has thought out. And we will also work with Plan International to distribute the lamps. And hopefully it will only be the start of the lamps. Hopefully we will see many more to create a better environment for everybody. But otherwise I'll leave the word to you two, and we'll hear a little bit more about your project.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for me. Welcome and congratulations for me also. Can I just say thank you so much.
Hi, I am Mariana. I am 22 years.
I'm Luca. I'm 24 years old. And I need this. We are going to start talking about our context, where we design. This is our family, Mariana's and mine. So we live in Argentina, in the capital city of Buenos Aires. So in our country we speak Spanish. It will be a little difficult, this, but
Yes.
we can do it.
We are in the university. We didn't finish yet. We are in our last year. We study in the University of Buenos Aires, in the capital city, and we really like our university because it's free and public, and everybody can go there if he wants, and it's really interesting having classmates from different countries. So I really like it that, and they always encourage in that we work in groups all the time for the project, because that simulates that the real life shops. So it's really nice.
These are our partners.
Yes, and some of our project of the school, we have class of a lot of things.
But in the last summer, when we were bored about a final test, we find this contest, and we were motivated to enter to this because the social part that it has, and it's the technology that we have to use to create this object. It was a design challenge for us. We continue.
Since the beginning of the project, we want to make powerful the lights, because one of the specifications of the contest was that the lamp will have only one LED, and everybody knows that one LED is too dim. So we want to find some way to shine the lamps and link it up for make more powerful. This is some of our first drawings. Are really first, I don't know, and we want to take advantage about the best way to hand it, and to take advantage about the daylight of the night.
And we think that throughout human history, everyone has always get around the light of the sun, of a lamp, of a fire. So, and in our families, we always talk about sharing moments with them, with our friends, and that. So, in our designs, we want to express this, and we chose a concept that is the light as a unifying element, because we want to take the advantage of the light, the ability that has the light to connect and interconnect people, communities, and persons.
Yes. Then, pass. Then we start to think about the shape of the lamp, and we decide to take the form of two familiar elements, like a light bulb that represents the light, and a link change, because we want a link change by open, because we want that everybody can bring his own light to her house every day, and showing to her family, her friends, and everybody. Then we try to thought about a product that everybody can understand just seeing the product and don't need instructions or everything, nothing else.
Translation.
Yes, just seeing, you know how to work, how to use, is for link.
As simply
Yes, we want
design.
something simple.
Well, the name of the product is enganchate, that it means link it up.
It's a Spanish word that means link it up or put on, because
So here is the link,
the idea of the lamp is you can bring it.
and you can link it that way.
The components of the lamp are the same that little suns. The lamp has a solar panel, a battery rechargeable, electric circuits, and LED lights, and anything else is really, really simple. And
function.
yes, and that's all. And well,
The next step is that
Olafur
VELUX
explains that just a few minutes before, and well, we made a video about how to use and how to charge.